Alright, so I came out to my garage to check something out, and I realized that my Skyline's taillights are staying on all the time. And it looks like it's the brake light because you don't see the side indicator lights on, like when it's just the, the parking lights, or like you have to switch on or whatever. The fronts aren't on at all, but it's acting like as if the brake lights are on. So what I found when I looked under the dash, because obviously I can tell it's a brake switch issue, something along those lines. So I looked on the floor, and then I found this broken plastic here. And then I look up at the pedal switch right up there, and you can see when the pedal comes back to the rest position, there's no plastic there to push the switch back in to turn the brake lights off. So looks like I'm gonna have to find out whatever that part number is and order it and put it back in. Or it looks like I could just rig something else up. Let's put a bolt in there, something like that. Maybe, bolt a washer into there, something along those lines. So should be pretty easy. I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can put something on the brake in there now temporarily while I see if I can find the part number. But yeah, just in case this happens, apparently I'm guessing it's pretty common though, because it's a piece of plastic that is constantly getting hit all the time, so this is what you get. Alright, and for now, instead of unhooking the battery, I just went ahead and put a random bolt / washer that I found in my garage. I think it's out of like my Subaru's windshield wiper or something like that. So here's the plastic pieces that were sitting there, and then now you can see brake lights are off. So that's all it is. I'm gonna see if I can order it, otherwise I'll just make something work. It doesn't look like anything that complex, but if possible I'd like to get the OEM part, so that's what I'm gonna go for. Alright, so I got the part. I ordered it off of eBay. It was only $7. This is what it looks like here. There were a couple other ones that were out there. There's a green one, I think, but this seemed to work. It looked like it was gonna work, and it was the cheapest one, so I went with that option. Here's the part number off the packaging. This is an OEM Nissan part. So it's pretty cheap to go with OEM, so I went with that. So I'll show you how we put it in. There's really nothing to it. I'm pretty sure it's just going to push in, but we'll see. I'm going to go into the car right now and take a look. Alright, so now I'm going to take a look here. I'm on the driver's side. Right now I have just a piece of random plastic shoved up there. You can see it there. I just put that there so the lights will stay off. So watch, I press the brake pedal, and it generally falls off, but looks like it's stuck there for the moment. So I'm going to pop it off, see if I can position the camera where you can actually see what I'm doing. Nothing to it, but I'm just going to film it anyways. Alright, so here's the new piece. I'm going to remove that. So, feeling it right now, there's a little hole in the middle, so I'm just kind of gonna shove this guy into it, see if... Okay, so I put it in there. I couldn't push it by hand, so I put it in place and pulled back on the brake pedal. So now I'm gonna take a look and make sure it is doing its job. It should be, but it is. The brake lights are off right now, so we're good. That's all there is to it. There's a common problem, from my understanding. It's a pretty similar problem on S13s. I'm actually gonna take a look at my brake pedal right now on my 240 and see if I have the same problem. Alright, so looking here at my S13, it does basically have that same thing. Looks like it'd be a little harder to change, but it's got the same thing. So I would imagine that you'd be able to use that same part number for an S13 as well if you have the same problem. So there we go. That was it. Very simple thing. It's the first thing to go wrong on my Skyline since I've owned it, so thought I'd post up on it. There's going to be more videos with this car to come. We got a manual swap coming, probably 5-lug swap, Q45 brakes, a couple other things. So keep tuned if you're interested in Skyline content.